How to find archived chats on Telegram. So if you want to find archived chats on Telegram, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. And then, for example, I'll be choosing a chat to send to an archive. So simply tap on a chat and then go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on archive. And that has been archived, right? So if you want to go back to your archived chats, then go with the upper left, which has that three-bar icon. Go with the settings. And if you don't find your archives in your settings, then what you need to do is simply go with the upper side. So go with the top side on your Telegram, and here on the upper side you will have archived chats. So simply tap on archived chats, and here you will have all of the chats that you have archived. You can simply move any chats into your archive and back by swiping on it. So tap on got it, and then again tap on the chat, go with the three dots, and then tap on unarchive. And that's it. That's how you can find your archived chats on your Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.